Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a few examples on the Lesson 1 Extra Practice worksheet. They are just like the problems that we did in Unit 1, Lesson 1 in our workbook, but these are a few more problems to get you used to doing this. So there's 4 steps that you have to follow for these problems in the directions. You have to rewrite using only sums. You have to group the positives together and the negatives together. You have to find the sum of the positives and the sum of the negatives, and then you have to find the overall sum. Okay? So we have 4 steps that we have to follow. And if you do not remember, the word sum means addition, so sum means add, so we're going to be adding. So let's start with this first one. First, we're going to rewrite so that this is addition. So I have 15 plus -4, that's already addition, plus 12. Now minus -13 becomes plus 13. That's the first step. Now I'm going to go to 2, put the positives together and the negatives together. So there's 3 positive numbers, 15 plus 12 plus 13, and there's 1 negative, -4. And now I'm going to sum the positives and the negatives. So 15 plus 12 plus 13 is 40. And the negatives are already added together. And then 40 plus -4 for a final answer of 36. So you have to do each of those 4 steps for each of the problems. So let's go to the one below it. We're going to rewrite using only addition. So that's the first step. -15 minus 7 is the same as plus -7. Then we have another plus -7. Minus -19 becomes plus 19. Now I'm going to rewrite so that the negatives and the positives are grouped together. It's actually already grouped. The 3 negative numbers are at the beginning, and the positive number is at the end. So I can leave it like that, or I can regroup it. So if I want to rewrite this and put the positives first, I can change the order. This is the commutative property that says when I'm doing addition, I can move the numbers around. And now I'm going to add the positives. They're actually already done for you. So I have 19 plus, then I'm going to add -15, -7, and -7, which gives -29. And then for my final answer, I'm going to find the overall sum. So 19 plus -29 is -10. Okay, so those are 2 more examples. You have to do each step for every problem on this page. And remember, we're using, and I will write this at the top, the commutative property, which says that with addition, I can move the numbers around and I do not change the final answer to the problem. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. You're going to have to do this worksheet on the paper and then turn it in using your phone and scanning it to a PDF. Make sure you turn this in on Google Classroom.